How you doing? I'm Corey Bingham.
Gianni Ferreira.
Jarrell Bird.
And we're the staff at Lynn Parks Recreation. Monday and Tuesdays it's at Breed, and Wednesday and Thursdays it's at the Meadows at Lynn English. And today is the championship East versus West at the Marian Gardens. We do this every year, high school and elementary, and the kids just come out here and have a good time. We got MVPs for every age group, and it's just a good time for the community to come out and watch some good basketball.
My man William, Jarrell's Cleveland champion.